Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we are rounding off an incredible few weeks of the Fijian healthcare system. Just yesterday, excuse me, I was in Nadera opening the new private hospital. Last week, we launched the first ever national surgical obstetrics and anesthesia plan for Fiji. The weekend prior, the first batch of COVID-19 vaccines arrived in Fiji. And at the end of last month, of course, for those of you who were present, in Nabosa, we opened the new Nabosa subdivisional hospital. In the face of one of the great medical challenges in history, the coronavirus pandemic, we can be proud to be making these historic strides to realize the health that our Fijian Constitution enshrines for every Fijian. Not only have we kept Fiji safe from the terrible cost of COVID-19, we have continued to improve the reach and quality of the healthcare we afford the people of Fiji. That journey continues today in Nadera as we proudly open the doors of the Fiji National Kidney Center. We had planned to have this facility up and running last year, but that was, of course, pre-COVID. Travel restrictions kept a team of German technicians from reaching Fiji and getting these dialysis machines up and running. Rather than wait for the unknown end of the pandemic, we adapted, and the Ministry of Health and Medical Services moved mountains to bring a technician from Samoa to Fiji. And I can tell you that was no easy task. Here, he helped train our staff to assemble, calibrate, and operate these kidney dialysis machines. Today, they are ready to be put to use treating patients. There are major types of kidney dialysis treatments, acute and chronic or long-term. Acute dialysis services are offered at the CWM Hospital and the Lotoka Hospital. The government subsidizes those treatments for our citizens with an annual allocation of $100,000. This facility offers treatment for chronic kidney disease, which is an issue for far too many Fijians and the families that love and care for them. These treatments are available in Fiji, but this is the first to offer specialized nephrology care. Nephrology care, that means there is a specialist on call at all times, from the screening process to the dialysis care to the review of treatment plans. Having that expert eye available means patients at risk of developing a serious case of kidney disease can be diagnosed early and receive treatments when they are proven to be most effective. This center will provide dialysis treatment for approximately 40 patients a week with 180 dialysis sessions, and those services can be scaled up to meet demand, of course. Those treatments will also be directly subsidized by the government to ensure they are available for all Fijians. This must be the case for any society that calls itself compassionate. But this is more than a treatment center. It is a new beating heart of our holistic response to addressing the painful and deadly scourge of kidney disease in our society. Fijians suffer from NCD, like diabetes, at an unacceptable rate. As any of the doctors will tell you, that is one of the leading reasons why these dialysis treatments are in such high demand. We can't only treat the symptoms and complications of the disease. We have to get to the root cause of what is indeed a Fijian health crisis. This center will work to create awareness of the causes of disease, kidney disease, and how Fijians can decrease the likelihood of contracting the disease. and it will be a hub of kidney disease research, kidney disease research that provides us with a clear picture of how this disease is impacting Fiji and what more we can do to combat it as researchers, as healthcare professionals, and as ordinary citizens responsible for our own health and well-being. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, March 11, as most of you know, exactly 1 year ago, was World Kidney Day. 2021 has been declared the year of living well and kidney disease, living well with kidney disease. Today, we are entering that year with the most significant advancement we've ever made to save lives from this disease. Fathers, mothers, and of course grandparents will have more time with those they love because their doors have opened today. They will live longer and they will live well. And others who gain new knowledge about how to keep their kidneys healthy will not have to live with the disease at all. I thank you.
Congratulations on this opening of this.
Thank you, yes. Naka. How many people have gone through the center?
On a weekly basis, up until now, the commissioning, we've been having a weekly clinic, and we'd see between 15 to 20 patients each clinic. And as of next week, as in the coming weeks, we'll be expanding to twice a week, and I'm sure that will continue to increase as the demand requires.
Timing is given to the public at large to come?
Yeah, so
Okay.
they get referred from the primary care, so from their health centre or their private GPs. Whoever has kidney disease or a particularly advanced kidney disease is referred in, and we see them.